bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my crafty friends, we are going to be making some really fun easy paperclip embellishments. I'm going to show you guys how I created these. I thought these turned out so cute. These are little paper clips, and I added some cupcake liners, some stickers, some doilies, some sequins, and some twine, and I added these really fun stickers that I got at Michael's. They're so cute. They kind of like resemble zombie looking, see, mummies, and they're just so cute. I love them. So I want to show you how I created these literally did not take that long to create. And I'm also going to do something for you guys. If you don't have these little doilies that I got at the Michael's, I'm also going to create another one of these using stickers, so you can have like different options, right? So I got these doilies at Michael's a few months ago. I had them for a while actually. With these right here, I kind of use the doilies that are in like a orangey color, and I only have these left. I don't have any more orange, so we're going to use one of these. And then for those of you who don't have these little doilies that we can use, I'm going to also show you what we're going to use. So I found these dollar store stickers that I had upstairs. I thought it would be fun to use these orange flowers as kind of a doily in the event that you don't have something like this that we can use, okay? So basically, if you have a sticker that is circle and it kind of fits your cupcake liner, you can also use that to replace the small little doily. All right, so here's the doily that we have, and then here is the little sticker that we have. So let's put this together. I'm using my cupcake liners like I always do. I am basically using two different kinds. I'm using this brown one, which I love, and then I'm using this one, which I also love. So what do I do with my cupcake liners? It's very simple. If you guys watch my videos, you already know, but if you're new to my channel, I basically just take my cupcake liners, I fold it in half, and what I do is I kind of scrunch it in the center, holding it and gathering it together, and then I open up my cupcake liner, and then I just kind of play around with it to get the shape that I like. And that's basically all I do with my cupcake liners, okay? So here we have this one, and then we have this one, okay? So let's put a little paper clip together. The paper clips that I'm using are these really fun color-ish looking paper clips that are kind of orangey neon. I got these at the Dollar Tree. These are really fun colors. In here you got a lot of really fun like neon colors. So I'm going to use these orangey looking one because it's kind of fitting for Halloween, right? And what I did was making sure that your paper clip is the opening is on the bottom, okay? I'm going to basically hot glue these to my cupcake liners, okay? So here's one cupcake liner, here's another cupcake liner. I'm going to hot glue that together, and don't worry about it not being secured down because we're going to reinforce it later with the doily. This is just to give you an idea of how your paper clips are going to look. Okay, so now that we have our paper clips down, glued down, we're going to add, first I'm going to add my doily, to this one right here, okay? And then I'm going to add my sticker to this one. So for the doily, just add some hot glue on the back of the doily. And add the doily in the center of your cupcake liner. Just like that. If you need to go back and add some more hot glue to reinforce it, go right ahead. Okay, and then we're going to add this sticker right in the center of the cupcake liner. And that's also going to reinforce your paper clip as well. Okay, just gonna hold that for a little bit so it adheres down. Okay, there you go. Beautiful. So now that we have our little embellishment almost complete, we're going to add the stickers that's going to go in the front of these adorable paper clips. The stickers that I'm using are from Michaels. These are these zombie mummy looking stickers. They're super adorable. They're so much filled with details. I love them. They're puffy stickers. I got these last year. I don't know if Michael has them this year. I don't recall seeing them, but they may have them. So I'm going to add these little mummies in front of my little embellishment, and I'm going to add some hot glue to the back just to give it a little bit of reinforcement. And I'm going to add my mummy right in the center of my embellishment, just like that. And I'm going to do the same thing with this one. There we go. Just like that. As simple as that. These are so adorable. You should get something like this. How adorable are these? So cute, right? Okay, very good. Now, what we did with these are we added some boo. See how it says boo right there? And this one also says boo right there. We added these sequins that we got at the Dollar Tree. If you guys watch my haul video, you already know that I went sequins crazy and I bought a few at the Dollar Tree. And so I bought a whole bunch of these, and I think these are really fun for Halloween. The sequence just says boo on it. It's just really fun. So we're going to add this to our little paper clip embellishment. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to basically add this right in the corner of my embellishment. So I'm going to add this one right here, and I'm going to add this one on this side right here. That's all I'm going to do. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue. And I'm going to stuff this right over here. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing with this one. And there you have it. Beautiful. We're almost done. The last thing we're going to do is we're going to add some bows to our little paper clip embellishment. We're going to add some sequins, and then we're done. So here I made myself already some bows out of my twine from Michaels. I'm going to add these bows right over this area over here on this one. And then on this one, I'm going to add the bow right over this area right here. And that's going to give the embellishment such a cute look. And as you can tell, I'm adding my bows backwards instead of adding them like this way. I'm going to add them this way, okay? I did that on purpose. I kind of like the way that looks in that position. And there you have it. Beautiful. Okay, what's the last thing? Sequins. And then we're done. I'm going to add a nice little sequence right in the center of the bowl. Here I have this one, and here I have this one. And there you have it, guys. And that is how I made these really fun, adorable paper clips. I'm done. That's all I really need to do. All you gotta do is just go back and clean all these little glue strings, obviously. But I mean, how adorable is that? Now if you want to add some more, you can actually add some sequins to this one if you want over here. I'm not gonna do it because I like the way it looks by itself, but if you want to add some sequins, you can to this one. You can actually add that one there, and maybe we can add like this one there, and that also would be cute to do if you want. But I'm gonna leave mine the way it is because I like it like that. And that is how we create these really fun, adorable paper clips using some simple stickers and some simple little doilies and some simple cupcake liners. Okay, my loves? I hope you enjoy watching me make this video. These are so cute. I love them. I think these turned out adorable. They are so perfect for any kind of project. You can add them to a goodie bag. You can add them to a happy mail. You can actually add them to a little banner if you want. You can add them to a note card. You can do so many things with these adorable embellishments, okay? All right, my loves, I hope you enjoy watching me make this video. Give me thumbs up. Let me know what you think about these adorable zombie mummy paper clips. And I hope that you guys enjoy me making these. I will see you soon on my next video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you comment. Make sure you like. And make sure you tag me on Instagram if you make these adorable mummy zombie paper clips. I love you all. Have a fantastic, safe weekend, bubbies. Bye.